Hello guys, this is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. In today's video we will be talking about one of the best alternative to AdSense there is on the market or the internet. If you are having issues with your website or acceptance I should say on AdSense, then this is the perfect video for you to watch. We'll be talking about this ad network, how to apply for it, and most importantly how to integrate ads with your WordPress site. But before we jump into this video, I would love for you guys to drop a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. That will help us immensely. Like I said in the previous videos, we are trying to achieve at least 1K before the next year, and yeah, that will just actually motivates us to push more content and drop more useful content for you guys. With that out of the way, let's just start with this video. The ads network that we will be using called Adnimation, guys, and it is a certified Google partner, which means the same as the Adsense shows on your website will be shown by Adnimation as well. And if we scroll down here, you can monetize your websites, mobile apps, and CTV and CTT, excuse me. We'll just be focusing on websites. I need to get this out of the way. Since Adnimation is a Google certified partner, they take cuts. They usually take cuts out of your revenue. The cuts, or the percentage of the cuts, are roughly around 25%. So you are keeping 75% out of your revenue. Obviously, you will not make the same amount as AdSense, but still, you are getting AdSense approval, you are running AdSense ads, and you are somewhat keeping your revenue. So yeah, with that being said, if you want to apply, if you have a website, click on website and click on learn more, and it will take you to the application page. Click get started, and just wait for the page to load, and you need to fill out this form. So basically it's just simple stuff: name, email, your phone number, your website URL. Just put it in here. Monthly page views, I would highly recommend guys to not lie about stuff like this. If you have like 1,000, put 1,000. If you have 10,000, put 10,000, etc. Just do not lie about the monthly page views. What's your website about? Right, the stuff they are posted on your website, or like a small description that describes your website. Are you currently running ads on your website? Yes or no? Does your website qualify for Google AdSense? I mean, if you applied and did not qualify, say you did not qualify. You don't need to hide in all of that. Are you interested in a video ad unit? That's up to you. You can select and choose yes or no. How did you hear about us? You can put like in this section, I came from this specific video on YouTube, or like I came from Google, whatever. It's not really important. Once you fill out this form, just click let's boost my ad revenue. If you don't have any issues regarding your content or the stuff that you post on your website, what I mean by content, I mean harmful content and obscene content. For example, pornographic stuff, or hacking stuff, those stuff are not allowed on publishing networks. So if you don't have those kind of stuff, then you will most likely get approved on this platform. You will receive a welcoming email. Then they will tell you to wait like a day or two so they can create an account and send you the login details. Once that happens, you will receive a secondary email, like I said, with your login details, and from here you can log into the Adnimation network, and you can customize your ads there. Once your account gets approved and you get the login, just log into Adnimation dashboard, and from here let's set up our ads. Click on let's start, and from here what you need to do is just copy this thing right here, or copy this code, and go to your Windows and type in Notepad and just copy all of this code right here. Click save and name it ads. Name it ads like this, guys. I do have it, and click on save. Just like this, we created our ads.txt. Then click on next. From here you can choose your ads unit. You can select the desktop if you want to show the ads on desktop, mobile, and as you can see here, it will show you the position of the ad. Native above the fold, native in content, native sticky bar, where the ads will be shown. Once you do that, click on integrate just like this and click OK. But before we just jump to the next step, we need to do something else. Or like it already did redirect us to the third step, but we need to do something before we copy this code. We'll just need to go to our root folder and upload the ads.txt file that we just created. So go to your domain provider, go to your file manager, public HTML, and upload that file. Mine is in HD docs, and for you it will be in public HTML. That's most likely whatever, like every domain provider, they usually, you know, store data or the public access data in public HTML. So go to your public HTML and upload the as.txt. I'll just, you know, upload it in here, and as you can see, it is here. Click on upload and upload file, and from here we can just upload our as.txt, upload and replace, and just like that we uploaded our as.txt. One final step that we need to do is just integrate this code into the header of our website and wait for, as you can see, within 2 to 4 business days the ads will just, you know, start showing on our website. So click copy just like this and go to your WordPress website if you have a WordPress website. If you don't, if you are using Blogger, just create a widget and copy paste that code, and go for plugins if you don't have this plugin and type in code snippet or WP code. Once you do that, add it and go to header and footer just like this, and from here you can add your code. It is just that simple, and just delete these spaces up top, header code, and delete the first space as well. And yeah, just like that, click on save changes, and just like that, guys, you did integrate your code. Like I said, you need to wait to 2 to 4 business days for your ads to be shown on your website. One last thing I need to talk about, it's the reports section. Let's click on reports, and right here, guys, you can see your earnings and the stuff that, you know, every person needs to know about when it comes to revenue and, you know, RPM and all of that good stuff, impressions, etc. guys. Up here you can add your payment details so you can earn and withdraw your money. They do offer PayPal integration, and they support PayPal, which is very, very good, and the very minimum amount is like $10, so you can withdraw your money immediately if you have high traffic. For here you got your stats, you got your revenue, you got the earnings from yesterday, the past month, the ranges right here, you got your sites if you want to add more sites, and you got, you know, your RPM and other stats down here below, guys. If you want to get in contact with support, click on contact us right here, and if you want to log in, just click on log out. And that's basically the simple dashboard of Adnimation, guys. This is it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like, commenting down below. If there's anything you want me to explain to you, whether that be in this video, in a previous video, I'll just, you know, be glad to answer your questions. And yeah, I have social media accounts. You can follow me on those as well, and we can, you know, chop it up and get in touch with each other. With that out of the way, take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next video. Peace.